Zoe Elopment, I love you unconditionally. You have the warmest and biggest heart of anyone I've ever met. I promise to continue to expand my heart and share my feelings more transparently with you.
Casey, writing vows was hard for me. Not because I don't love you with all of my being, but because words cannot express how much I love you. How much you mean to me, how much I cherish you, value, and respect you with all of my heart.
You are the best cuddler in the universe, and you make me feel incredibly loved. I will always be there with your shoulder spot open, and will show you the affection you deserve, and that captures my immense love for you.
It cannot describe how the thought of you or touch of your hand can make me feel safe, valued, and at home, no matter where we are. Or how you make me feel complete, while always making sure I'm thriving and growing as an individual.
You are my favorite adventure partner, and I can't wait for many more amazing CZ journeys together. You are the most beautiful person inside and out. I'm incredibly attracted to you both spiritually and physically. You are truly too good to be true.
I had trouble writing these because just one of the beautiful things about our love is that we never had to put our feelings into words. We just knew. We knew that we love each other with all of our hearts and all of our souls. And I knew our uniquely individual puzzle pieces make a whole wonderful puzzle for us to build together.
I'm so lucky to have found you, and I promise to be everything that you want and need for eternity. Zoe Elopment, I love you forever.
I promise to keep cherishing you, valuing you, appreciating you, and respecting you forever. I had trouble writing these because only you would put a character